we are off. This is the earliest that Georgia has ever allowed the legal use of firearms for doe only in the state of Georgia. And it's only select counties. We just happen to be in one of them. Dad found out from the neighbor. He was already down at camp, him and Randy both. Well, they called me and I loaded up the guns, put them in the truck. Here we go. Going to find out who's going to set the record for the earliest doe killed with a firearm between us three.
I think so. All right. Shoot everything you see. Oh. Hell no. I got a cedar you can sit on.
After we dropped Randy off over at Poison, me and Dad started making our way over to the West End. It ain't been hunted yet this season.
You want me to drive all the way up to the stand?
I don't know.
Well, hell, who cares if we do?
I don't care.
If it was cooler or whatever, maybe you walk all the way there, but we just drive down there today. And it is what it is.
I'll take you about 10 minutes.
The West End is a stand that we built on the edge of the pines, overlooking the hardwood bottom that is surrounded by white oaks and red oaks and water oaks and pin oaks and every kind of oak. It gets pretty wet in the bottom sometimes and muddy, a little swampy. I pray a deer don't run out in it.
There's a deer at the feeder right now while we're just standing there talking.
That's it. Actually, once you start hunting season, starts like this, set it back to my cricket sound. So when somebody called me, it sounds like a cricket.
Depths of silence where echoes remain. You were the sunrise and I was the rain. A collision of souls opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you're gone and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Why did you cut me up, bring me out, and leave me high and dry? You were the laughter that kept me alive. You were hello when I was goodbye. An ember that flickered then faded away. You were the summer, I was that same old shit in me. Now you're gone and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Now you're gone. Why did you call me up, bring me out, and leave me high and Now you're gone. Now you're gone. Now you're gone. You were the laughter that kept me alive. I said, hold on. You said goodbye.
Good chance it might be on. Maybe the first one was the phone, and the second was the mama on the phone. Yeah. There she is. Yes. Looks like a doe in the camera. Looks like a doe in the scope too. She's quite a big as that one that walked off with that baby. She's a baby. Yeah. You can see her. Yeah. You got a shot. Yeah. You would try to shoot her. Yeah. Take your time. Squeeze. Pretty sure you hit her pretty good. She dropped it right there, didn't she? No, she ran. Oh, she did? I thought she dropped right there. She jumped and turned and ran out through that bottom. Okay. Well, she ran like towards where we had that ladder on that tree. She's going towards the bottom. Here, have you a celebratory water. Thank you, Mike. Yeah, you just sit here. I'll be back.
He's down right over there. Can you see? Alright, that is a nice big doe. Perfect shot. I don't see nothing down there. I think you missed.
You're kidding.
Huh?
You're kidding.
You don't think you missed?
No, I don't think I missed.
Why not?
Because I had a good aim.
You think you're just the best aim out here?
With that damn thing, yeah.
Oh, that thing is ill. She went about 50 yards and she's piled up down there. Perfect shot.
Okay.
I'm just going to report this deer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you do it some kind of app. It's faster than the phone call, don't you?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that. I just do it by the phone call method.
So Go Georgia Outdoors app is, if you got service, it's the fastest way to do it. Let's see. My licenses. Damn, why is yours not on here? Your license does expire.
It does?
Yeah. Let me see what year. The year 2399 it will expire.
Oh my God. I ain't worried about that.
Oh wow.
Me, you, or your children or grandchildren ain't gonna live to that long. I could do it by the phone call method if you want me to.
Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. Game check. I'm not there. Your harvest form for you. Today is 10/4. Over and out. County. Private land. Describe the deer.
Mature doe?
Female. Gotcha.
Okay.
Select weapon. I don't see 308.
The pea shooter.
Your harvest report has been submitted. Congratulations. Yeah, what do you mean it's your deer? You gotta load it up. I ain't finna load this thing for you. You think this is... you get to use my gun and my rest, and I get it loaded up for you, and... Hey, look where them hogs been rooting it up over there. Find me a level spot and it'll hold. Look at that.
Okay.
Alright, man, she spewed a whole bunch of things right over here. We made a mess over here.
I didn't do that. She did it. Blame it on her.
Oh, buddy, she's been in the swamp.
Do you need to undo that strap to get her across there?
I don't think so.
talking about the green strap. Yeah, I think I do. I think I will.
Green strap in your way. I'm gonna step over and take a feed back before we get rolling again. All right?
You gonna scare all the deer away.
I don't know if I'll take it. You got the
No,
camera.
you go ahead. Do what you ever got to.
I know we will go back up to the truck. Whatever.
Beep, beep. Who's got the keys to the Jeep?
Hey, y'all messed up my hunt. The feeder just went off and everything.
Are you serious?
Yeah, coming off at 6.
Hey, he shot that one 30 minutes before our feeder went off. What's wrong with yours?
I saw 2 4-pointers.
Really?
Oh.
Oh, thank God. 'Cause I'm like, I got to shoot one of them.
You couldn't do it today. At least it would be a
Oh,
good
I'm
spot if you
proud
did.
of you, Charlie.
It was a perfect shot right behind the shoulder. He knew it too. I tried to go over there and tell him he missed. He didn't believe me not for a second.
First time. Hey, Mama. I mean, dinner.
This is full
Charlie's
grown.
the killer. Yeah, full-grown doe. Heck yeah. Give me a minute. I got to pace myself.
Yeah, Dad put some stuff back there in your way too. You might need to move it.
Oh,
Just that tripod thing and move it over.
I can figure it out. Just give me a second.
Mike said he needed some deer meat. He said shoot that doe. So I shot that doe.
I'm out of ground.
That's important. You can make anything with that.
I was out of ground.
You was.
Fixing to be a fresh supply ground.
Yeah, we walk down to the stand. Dad gets in and I walk in behind him. We're trying to
We drove
get
all the
situated.
all the way to the stand, parked right close to it.
Yeah, we parked right there at the stand. Get in. We're getting situated, just talking. I turn around and look out the window. I said, there's a deer right there.
Right there, huh?
There was already a deer right there. It was just had its head down feeding. I guess it already alerted to us and figured we was okay. By the time I saw it, it was comfortable back eating again. But it was a little
I
one.
thought that was y'all that shot early.
Yeah.
I said, well, either they looking for it.
Well, there's another good sized doe that came in there too, and it was quartering at first. I was waiting for a good shot on it, and then I had a good shot on it, but Michael said it was behind the tree for the camera, so we was waiting, and it never gave me a good shot. So we sat there a while longer, and then this one showed up, and I shot it.
First blood.
Yeah. That was the fourth deer we saw. Yeah. We got in there and there was a small one that was there when watching us set up. And then there was a doe with it that was back behind it that came out after we got set up.
Down in the bottom.
Down in the bottom. And the little one went off somewhere and this big one walked over all the way to the stand, right there at the stand. And then fed on the white oaks, I guess waiting for the corn to come out. And she was still over to the left of us, and a little one came out. I thought it was the same little one before, but no, it was a different one because it had another big doe with it. They come out there and said, you ready to shoot one?
Well, I had one blow at me when I first got in the stand. I was getting comfortable, you know, and behind me it blew at me.
Yeah.
That's all I've seen or heard.
Did you brush your teeth this morning?
Mm-mm.
That's why.
That's right.